Okay, so we finished our breakfast. Now back in our hotel room, just packing to get not really like we're not leaving, guys. Just like packing some stuff to take today because we're going to a place called Wintherthur, where we'll be seeing a Technorama museum. So if you're wondering what that is, it's basically a technology museum. So we arrived at the main station, and from here we're gonna take a train to Wintherthur. First we'll be doing the Technorama, the technology museum. It's about 20 minutes from here to Wintherthur. So enjoy the ride. We're getting in the train now. So we got the tickets, now entering the Technorama.
This one, right?
What is this? One never goes in?
Yeah.
So this satisfying. So the place where we are at is right now where all the experiments are. Look at that. This don't even fall off. Dang. Now going to the first floor. They have more. It's like a 3-floor thing. final floor.
Now this is typical, like that optical illusion thing, as you can see.
From the outside, it looks like it's messed up, right? But in reality, it's a proper chessboard. Look at that.
Look at that fat ass. Fat ass. Chubby.
Okay guys, this mirror is so damn cool, man. Just look at this, okay? So right now you can see my brother, right? And now watch this. That's me, and my brother has disappeared. How cool is that? Okay guys, this thing is really cool. Okay, look at this. That is pretty sick. He's gonna look at that for 15 seconds and then he's gonna look at me. Let's see his reaction. Okay, look at me.
Oh shit.
Whoa, look at his eyes.
Blurry.
Whoa.
Your two-faced are blurry.
So I'm gonna touch this, guys. I'm gonna touch this. I'm gonna touch my bro as well. All right, just wait, just wait.
Okay. You can see he's touching his hand. You touch me. No, you. Okay, now let me do it to you.
It basically generates electric shocks, which is so damn cool. So, finished the Technorama museum. Pretty good, as you guys saw, some pretty insane technology, science behind everything. But now we're going to the famous